Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is the Jesse James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of June. And I already opened the box and showed the theme of the month on Instagram. And it is Stranded. Ooh. So, quick peek. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it looks so, everything looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. First up, Hawaiian Islands bead strand. Oh my gosh. Be still my heart. Oh, these beads. These beads. Oh my goodness. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm totally dead. Oh my goodness. I'm dead and gone to heaven. Bead heaven. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Chobe Park, Botswana. Oh my goodness. Look at this elephant. I hope you can see everything okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. Look at all these amazing beads. I think these kind of look like they have smiley faces. I don't know if that's intentional or not. Rio, Brazil. Oh my goodness. I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Look at this. Look at this purple and green. Look at this. Oh my goodness. There's a name for these beads and I can't think of it right now. They're called Tensha beads. The tag fell off. This one's called World Cruise. Sunset Flight Dakota Stone. Oh my goodness, these boho beads. To die for. To die for. This is my favorite box ever by far. Alright, now we have some chain. 18-inch nautical antique brass chain. So dope. Look at how cool this is. This is so cool. So this must be the finding set. Look at how teeny tiny. LeatherCord USA 2mm leather pack. Let's see, 2 meters. Look at this color. Oh my goodness, it's like metallic. Holy moly. That is so cool. Can you see how it's metallic? And then the last item here are these chainmail rings. So cool. 18 gauge. 100 pieces, that's a lot. I'll probably just use these as jump rings since I don't make chainmail stuff. But wow, these are gorgeous. Like, look at how high quality. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, this box was breathtaking. Holy moly. Look at these big bead strands. I can't even get over how beautiful they are. Thank you so much for watching. I had an amazing time unboxing this box. Have the best day ever. Take care.